A world full of colors, sceneries, and nature. A world with immense number of activities to pursue and perform. But what if you aren't able to view all of it? What if you aren't able to witness the diversity present around you in the form of art, sports, culture, people, and a lot more? Consider a game with hand-eye coordination. Can one imagine a visually impaired person playing a game like table tennis? Hard to believe, isn't it? Well, crossing through all these boundaries by our mind is a couple from Pune who successfully taught over 40 visually impaired children to play table tennis and successfully organized the first ever table tennis match for visually impaired children.
This initiative was introduced by Mr. Bhushan Thakur and his wife Aarti, ex-national players with a deep sports background. After visiting the Jagrati School for Blind in Alandi in the year 2018, during a Rotary program, they had a set of 40 super excited girls, eager to learn the sport. Let's hear what they have to share.
There was no fixed plan to do that. We just visited Alandi to meet these kids and to felicitate them for small function which Rotary organized. And out of curiosity, I just asked them, how many of you want to play table tennis? And some 40-50 kids said yes. And we were actually very in a panic state at that time that no one has done this in the world, because we did a lot of Google search and everything. We didn't find any. We asked the principal that we'll come back to you. Give me 10-15 days to do some research and we'll come back to you. Then we did all R&Ds and everything. We went back and we talked to them that we are ready with some workings, and that working was, which I also shared, is about creating a ball with a sound. So that was the game changer. Actually, we were not ready for anything. Till that moment of visiting them, we were completely not ready. But after that moment, that question, sometimes it happens that some questions comes to you and then you start thinking. And that was a question of my life or our life, where this question changed all perspective. Till that time, we didn't had a foundation also. We never thought of doing something on this line. But this question actually changed our life, and we started thinking that why not to do this.
The children till date are regularly trained every weekend. This entire training is supported by Rotary Club of Pune Central and by Bhushan under his business. This initiative has received immense acknowledgement and recognition by the media and international sports fraternity.
The next problem was for the kids when they come. The first level of in table tennis is tossing the ball. So to get the kids confidence that they can play is the tossing the ball first. So we created a string and a ring attached to it with the ball. So once they toss the ball and the ball falls, so it's lying there. That was the first planning to get them a confidence. Later the techniques and other things will come. But till the time the kids will not have a confidence that they will play, all these strategies will not work. That worked first, then we went there and did this only. So there was no second part. So first we wanted that whether they will be able to do this. And they got that confidence. Then we came back and did the next working, which was making that string bigger on the table and tying that with a net. So once they play and the ball goes out, again it's just they have to come near to the net, catch hold of the string, catch hold of the ball and start playing again. So that was the second level. And after that it was we removed the string. It was only the ball with the pearls inside, and the fourth without the ball. And all these four levels they have achieved very well, and that was the reason why we were able to conduct the tournament. And there, that tournament they were able to participate. So that was the first tournament in the world where visually impaired kids were playing table.
Bhushan believes inability and limitations are only in our minds. We must learn to live limitlessly.
this was the first project which we did with Alumni, and now we are focusing on at least 4 more schools from Pune initially, and we have spotted those schools. Same time, we are also doing the same project with hearing and speech impaired students. And first project which we already did for 1 year with Barari BMSK school in Pravatpur, and that also became very successful. These kids are now ready for normal district tournaments. So, the state secretary has asked me, do you want a separate category for these kids? For visually impaired, yes, we want a different category. But for hearing and speech impaired students, we are asking them, they will be playing in a normal category and playing in the tournament.
It's now time to inspire, motivate, progress, and succeed. And now you know the real story.